Hello friends, my name is Nkeki Precious and welcome to Carlos Design Academy, where I teach how to make shoes and bags, both male and female. In today's class, I will be showing you different types of accessories, few accessories that I use in making bags, few accessories that I use that you can use in making bags. So let's get right into the class. So this is adjusters for your long strap. Adjusters, they come in different sizes. They come in bronze. This is bronze. They can come in gold, they can come in silver, they can come in black. So depending on the one you want to use, and they come in different sizes. For instance, this one is if you measure it with your tape or with your ruler, this one is 3/4. I'm measuring in inches, 3/4. Measure 3/4. This one is 1.5 inch. So this one is 2 inch. It's very wide. This one is 2 inch. And this one is 1 inch. So it depends on the one you want to use, how wide your strap is. That will determine the size of adjuster that you will use. So, and they come in different weights. That this one is very heavy, this one is lighter, and this one is slimmer. So if you are using leathers that are of quality, is advisable for you to use accessories that have good qualities, not like these ones that are very slim, so that your customers can appreciate your work. So that's that for adjusters. Then we have rings. So these are just like few rings that I use. This one is also a ring. This one is a circle ring. You can use this ring for handles of bags. You can use it to for the handle of bag. This one attached to the body of the bag. It will also hold the handle of the bag. So like I said, they come in different colors: gold, silver, bronze, black. This is also another type, and they come in different sizes, just the way the adjuster is. They come in different sizes. Both this one come in different sizes. So that's that for rings. Then we have this also like adjuster. It's kind of a special adjuster for backpacks, for adjusting the back strap of backpacks. So you can also use this one. Is a bit expensive. It's not quite common, but and this is made with iron, so it's very strong. So this is also an adjuster. Then I have D-rings. D-rings, they come in different shape. Like this one now is a bit different from this, a bit different from this, a bit different from this. So it depends on the one you like and the one you want to use. They also come in different colors: gold, bronze, black, silver, and they also maintain the same sizes, 1 inch, 1/4, 2 inch, 3/4, 4 inch. It depends on the size you want. So you can also get that from your retail stores. So these are the few, very few accessories I use for my bags. So you can also use them. They are very nice accessories, and they are durable. So you can get them from your retail stores. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you are here for the first time, please consider subscribing, like and share my videos. Please, I need those likes because it helps in YouTube algorithm, helps other people to see my video. Please, I need those likes. Please, I need those likes. Share, like, subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment box. I'll always be there to answer all your questions. Until I come your way next time, Bye for now.